Good morning students. Today we will start our GK chapter 2 for class 5th and chapter 2 activity. It is on page number 11. This is an activity for chapter 2. Activity 1 is to solve the following crossword with the help of the given clues. Every word that you use should be a name of animal that begins with the letter C. We should use an animal name and which is begin with the letter C. The all words which are begin with the letter C. So let's start it. First of all, we will do a crosswords. Okay, note down. We are filling the crosswords. So your first one is second, a small yellow songbird. It's a canary. Third, a bird that lays eggs in other birds' nest. Which bird is there who lays eggs in other birds' nest? It's cuckoo. Third one is cuckoo. Now fifth one, stores fat in its hump. Can go long time without eating or drinking. Used for transport in desert region. Which animal is there who lives in desert and that can use the store fat in its hump? It's also live without eating or drinking. It's a camel. Fifth one, camel. Now seventh one, a 10-armed oval-shaped sea creature that sends out a black liquid when attacked. A sea creature with 10 arms and oval shape. Its seventh one is cuttlefish. 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 Now eighth one, a teeny little short hair dog from Mexico. Teeny little short hair. Dog's name from Mexico. Eighth one is Chihuahua. Now ninth one, a lizard that can change its color to merge with its surrounding. One type of lizard can change its body color to merge with its surrounding. Its eye moves separately in the direction. Its eye also can move separately in all the direction. Ninth one is chameleon. Chameleon that can change its body color. 11th, a worm-like crawling creature having a long flat body and worm, one type of worm and crawling creature. Its 11th one is centipede. Now 12th one, a large wading bird of marshes with long leg and neck and bill. Water bird is a sea. Its start begins with C and 12th one is crane. After that, downwards. A 10-footed shellfish having hard shell to protect themselves and pins claws for feeding and fighting. 10-footed shellfish. In the first one is, here you have to write crab. Now, second one, large voracious aquatic reptile having a long snout with a massive jaw and sharp teeth and body covered with bony palates. Its second one is crocodile. Fourth one, young of domestic cattle. Young of domestic cattle. Its fourth one is calf. Fifth one, a burrowing ground squirrel of Western America and Asia. Fifth one, it's a chipmunk. Now sixth one, adult male bird especially of the domestic fowl. Sixth is cock. C-O-C-K. Seventh one, an intelligent of African forest, one type of monkey. An intelligent monkey space is chimpanzee. So you have to write over here chimpanzee. Now 10th one, a beautifully spotted big cat of Africa and Southwestern Asia, which is rated as the fastest animal on earth. It's a cheetah. 12th, a large black bird. It's a crow. Okay, so you have to fill this activity crosswords and downwards with the clues given, and also it's begin with letter C. So this is your activity that you have to fill in your GK textbook. And also learn about the animals which names is begin with letter C, and also know about them. Now here B, match the animals in column A with their eating habits mentioned in column B. Now first one is scorpion, and scorpion's eating habits it's E, paralyze its victims with sting. Scorpion eating habits is paralyzes its victims with sting. Second one, vulture, its habit is capture its prey on a sticky knob. It's a habit of vulture birds. Now penguin eating habits is A, uses its barbed tongue to cut. Okay, it have a tongue to cut its prey. Now fourth one, butterfly uses a multiple straw to sip. Uses a multiple straw to sip to juice of flower. Now fifth one, anteater. See, capture its prey on a sticky knob. It's an anteater. It can capture its prey on a sticky knob. So this is given eating habits of some animals and birds. So you have to tick mark which eating habits is match the given animal or bird. Now rapid fire. Here some question answer. It's given. Now let's learn it. Who was the first Law Minister of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who is the first Law Minister of India. Who is worshipped as Lord Venkateshwara in Tirupati? Lord Vishnu. It's worshipped as Lord Venkateshwara in Tirupati. Lord Vishnu. Which was only Satyajit Ray film to be produced by Doordarshan? Sadgati. In 1981, starting with Om Puri and Smita Patil. If a person is ambidextrous, which does it indicate? He can use both hands to work. Who donated land to build the Golden Temple in Amritsar? It's Emperor Akbar. Akbar donated the land to build the Golden Temple, which is situated in Amritsar. Which animal is measured in hands? It's horse. Who invented the scissors? Scissors को किसने invent किया? Leonardo da Vinci. What are Siamese twins? Human twins who are born physically connected. It's called Siamese twins. Their body, when they born, who are born physically connected with the body. In which war did more than 90,000 Pakistani troops matlab group, surrender to the Indian troops? So it's Indo-Pakwa 1971. Okay, Indo-Pakwa 1971. It's a war that more than 90,000 Pakistani surrendered to the Indian troops. of which two gases in water made of hydrogen and oxygen. Two gases is water made of oxygen and hydrogen. 11th one, where was Guru Gobind Singh born? That place is Patna. By what common name is the Indian spotted deer known? It's Chetal. Which element of nature do the Parsis worship? Parsi, one type of caste, it's worship fire. वो आग को वर्शिप करते हैं, मतलब उसकी पूजा करते हैं. Badger burrow is called sat. What is a hair layer called? FORM, foam. 15. If Rajghat is for Mahatma Gandhi, for whom is Vijay Ghat? Vijay Ghat is Lal Bahadur Shastri's. From which animal do we get the Angora wool? From rabbit we can get Angora wool. What is reared in an apiary? Bees. 18. What is the national flower of Holland? It's tulip. Tulip is the national flower of Holland. And our national flower is? Yes, lotus. What is the group of kangaroos called? Mob. Who built the Jantar Mantar at Delhi and at 4 other places? Maharaj Jai Singh, the founder of Jaipur, who built the Jantar Mantar temple at Delhi. Now 21. Which civilization is said to have invented paper? They are Chinese. Chinese is a civilization is to say to have invented paper. So this is your rapid fire question answer. Now we finished our chapter 2. We will meet with new topic in our GK subject. Thank you.